What's the fastest way to get buyers for your products or services? Your website, because so many of today's consumers start their search online. A huge majority of business and marketers use WordPress to do this. Currently, there are over 75 million WordPress sites out there, powering 30% of the entire web. And your options are practically unlimited. Tens of thousands of themes and over 50,000 plugins to help you build your site. But popularity can bring problems. Many of these themes aren't properly tested, aren't updated, don't work well with common plugins, and if you're not careful, can crash your site. So your beautiful new site goes offline while you try to figure out what went wrong, and you lose traffic, leads, and sales until you can get it figured out. That's no way to run a business. Your website should be an asset, something that works for you 24/7. It should be easy to set up a top-converting, high-performing site in minutes without paying for high-priced developers or designers. But many WordPress themes are the opposite, requiring you to spend days or even weeks setting up your site, or paying experts big dollars to do it for you. That's a huge waste of your time and money, which is exactly why we've created an all-in-one WordPress theme that makes creating stunning, top-performing sites for any project an absolute breeze, even if you've never built a site before. Introducing Moto Theme version 3. The team behind Moto has been developing softwares and WordPress themes for 10 years. We've created products for over 20 internet marketing launches that drove over 6 figures in sales each, and have a huge base of over 7,300 happy customers on ThemeForest, where our head developer is an elite author. When it comes to WordPress, we know what we're doing and have the track record to back it up. However, we found a real gap when it comes to marketing-based themes for WordPress users. That's why we developed Moto Theme. Many marketers need more than one website or page. They need landing pages, sales pages, product review websites, e-com stores, and more, often in multiple niches. The cost of hiring developers and designers for each new project is crazy. So we thought, why not put every type of page or site design into one package for unlimited use? Moto Theme comes preloaded with 75 professionally designed layouts, each optimized for maximum conversions, created by a team of over 50 top-quality developers. You can upload any layout in a single click, then customize any element with the world's easiest-to-use drag-and-drop editor. If you prefer, you can start from scratch and select from a dazzling combination of marketing layouts and elements to create the site or page of your dreams. Because video drives up to 80% of all internet traffic, Moto Theme lets you take advantage. With video blog layouts and full video support on any page or site you create, including an exclusive feature which lets users literally create their own channel inside your video sites, just like YouTube. There's never been a more powerful way to engage your audience. List builders will love the built-in integration with 12 popular autoresponders and the ability to add any autoresponder via HTML. Social sharing for viral traffic is built into every layout. Link your sites to the most popular social networks and include buttons that let visitors share with their networks. All of this and so much more, pre-built into each layout and drag and drop, easy to customize. Building sites for your own campaigns is one thing, but creating sites for clients in a few clicks opens up a door to passive profits. So, your access to Moto Theme includes full commercial rights to sell as many sites as you wish to as many clients as you want, and you keep 100% of the profits. Moto Theme includes dozens of templates for both on and offline services, making it quick and easy for you to create stunning custom sites your clients will love. Now, this is important. Pretty sites are nice, but performance is what gets you paid. Each and every one of the 75 layouts inside ranks at the top of GT metrics for speed. Right out of the box, these themes load lightning fast, which translates into higher conversions, improved visitor experience, and even higher search engine ranking. There's a lot more inside, So check out the full details and product demo below. Just know this, you'll never need another WordPress theme. All the versatility, unlimited design options, and industry-leading performance at your fingertips. During this limited launch, we're offering Moto Theme version 3 for a steeply discounted, one-time price, and are also including 4 incredibly powerful bonus plugins handpicked to maximize your results. And yes, they work perfectly with your new theme. Our dedicated support team is on hand 24/7 from the moment you purchase to ensure any questions you have are answered. And we offer an unconditional 30-day money-back guarantee in the highly unlikely event you're not absolutely thrilled. It's time your websites do what they're supposed to do. Maximize your traffic, outperform the competition, and turn visitors into profits. Moto Theme is your answer. So check out the details below. Then secure your license now for the lowest cost it'll ever be available for.